celebrating life. Today, I would like to share exclusive collection of Kanjivaram sarees with you. I will be sharing my mother's Kanjivaram sarees. The first saree is the beautiful green and brown saree. This is actually her reception saree. It's made out of pure silver zari with gold plating. It's quite exclusive and expensive. There are paisley motifs in the pallu of the saree. The design looks embossed. And now we'll see the border of the saree. It is about 15 inch of the border. And the whole body has checks weaving throughout the saree. It will look good on all Indian skin tones. This is one of my favorite sarees. Now let's move on to the next saree. Now this is the second saree. It is a very beautiful combination of pink and orange. Now you can see the pallu. It has floral motifs all over it. And it has a kaddi border. I'll show you the body. This is a very pretty Vanashringaram concept. In the motifs, there are a lot of animal designs made on it. It looks very elegant for reception wear as well as for the muhurtam. This was a saree which my mother brought for my cousin's wedding. I hope you like this saree. Let's move on to the next saree now. Next saree. This is a dark purple colored saree with raindrop designs. It has a very traditional border. Now I'll show you the pallu. The pallu has paisley motifs and there is a lot of floral creeper motifs all over it. This looks very good for evening party wear. And there are flower bunches and very small flower motifs all over the saree. When there is good lighting, these raindrops shine up and it will bring out the most beautiful woman in you. I hope you like this saree. Now let's move on to the next saree. Now this is the fourth saree. It has a light grey silver body with an ink blue border. Now let's open the saree. The pallu is very grand. It has kalsha motifs and leaf motifs and temple border motifs all over. There is very intricate brown detailing which is bringing about the contrasting colors in this saree. And the main attraction is the border. In the border you can see the doli and the Bharat theme. It's very pretty and exclusive. Now we'll see the body. The body has circular buttas very close to each other. This saree is suitable for daytime wear. Now let's move on to the next saree. This is another saree which is a dark maroon color. This is one of my favorite sarees because it suits all the skin tones very well. It is one of the designer sarees which we bought. The designer element is in the border. We have a big green leaf shape made in it, and the border has watermarks and there are temple designs in the border. This saree looks elegant and very pretty when you wear it with a temple jewelry. This is the pallu. I hope you like this saree. Let's move on to the next saree now. This is the next saree. It's a very beautiful peacock concept saree. It has all colors of the peacock. It has big border. It has ripple designs in the saree. This saree also signifies Mother Earth. Now let's see the pallu. The pallu is very beautiful with chakra motifs, and there are small detailing of plant motifs. This saree is very good to be worn by all age groups. It is one of the exclusive designer collection of the sarees. There is wave pattern all over the saree. Now let's move on to the next saree. This is a very beautiful saree. It has two traditional colors, dark green and maroon in the border. It's quite contemporary in its designing. You can see the border of the saree. It's very pretty paitani border. It has floral motifs all over it. And the body is full textured and embroidered. It's an exclusive saree for reception wear. The pallu is very grand. You can see lotus weaving all over the pallu. An arrow mark design with a very strong jari in it. This saree sure does bring about the beauty in you. This saree is a dark blue saree. It's a half and half saree. It has paisley designs all over it. It has very intricate pattern of weaving with chakras, paisleys in pink, green and blue. It will look very good on young age girls. Now I'll show you the pallu of the saree. It is in dark magenta pink and it has very intricate weaving. Friends, hope you like all the collection of the sarees. Please like the video and share your comments in the comment box so that I can improve my videos. Now let's see the border. The other half of the saree has leaf designs with thread work and leaf booties at many places all over the saree. This is a very pretty saree, friends. Now let's move on to the next saree. This is the next saree. It is still unused. It's a new saree. Just see the pallu, how grand it is. It has embossed weaving and floral patterns. And there are very big elephant motifs in the saree. The magenta color goes very well with the green. And the kuch in this saree is also very pretty. Now let's see the body. There are big checks all over the saree. And there is very intricate weaving within the checks. There are floral designs, wheel design and rhombus designs in the saree. It's a very, very beautiful, rare piece. I hope you like this saree. Please share it with your friends. Now let's move on to the next saree. This is my favorite saree, friends. It is a beautiful purple color saree with a lavender tone. It has very intricate checks and there are peacock motifs in the saree. The border is very good with embossed design on it. It is very good. It has embossed design all over it. This is a very rare color to be available in Kanchivaram sarees. That's why it's my favorite. And the pallu is the most exclusive part of this saree. There are elephant motifs, floral motifs and peacock motifs on it. Friends, this will be the last saree in this video. If you like to see more of such Kanchivaram sarees, please let me know in the comment box. To get further notification of the videos, subscribe to my channel. And let me know which was the best saree and your favorite saree in this collection. There are many more sarees to be shown. So I will be making few more videos on this concept. Later in this series, I would be making videos on designing sarees and styling the sarees. If you are interested, please let me know your suggestions in the comment box. See you soon. Thank you.